Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving into the ultimate showdown between the Insta360 X4 and the new Insta360 X5. If you thought the X4 was a game changer, you're going to be blown away by what the X5 brings to the table. This isn't just a small upgrade, it's a massive leap forward in technology, design, and usability. Replaceable lenses. A game changer. First up, we've got one of the most requested features: replaceable lenses. That's right. Insta360 has finally given us the ability to swap out lenses without the hassle of mailing in the camera for repairs. If you've ever had a shattered lens or scratched glass, you know how frustrating and expensive it can be. With the X5, you can now replace the lenses yourself, saving time and money. On top of that, the lens glass is tougher and more scratch-resistant than ever before, designed to withstand the wear and tear of outdoor and action-packed adventures. Enhanced. Waterproofing for underwater freedom next. Let's talk about waterproofing. The Insta360 X5 takes it to the next level, allowing you to dive up to 15 meters deep without the need for a bulky housing. That's right, no extra case required. Whether you're exploring the ocean or filming in the rain, the X5 ensures that water won't be a problem. It's all about that freedom to capture the world around you, no matter the conditions. Superior image quality with a larger sensor moving onto the sensor. This is where the real magic happens. The Insta360 X5 features a massive 1.8-inch sensor, a huge upgrade from the X4's half-inch sensor. This means better image quality, particularly in low-light environments. Whether you're filming during the golden hour or shooting at night, the X5 delivers brighter, clearer footage. And with the addition of the new Pure Video mode and an AI chip that's 140% faster than before, your videos will have enhanced detail, smoother colors, and crisper quality. 0.7K active HDR video. Let's talk about video resolution. The X5 now supports 5.7K HDR video at 60 frames per second, giving you cinematic smoothness and rich dynamic colors. Say goodbye to overexposed skies and blown-out highlights. With active HDR, every shot looks pristine, whether you're filming a sunset, a bright blue sky, or anything in between. Slow-motion enthusiasts will also be thrilled to know that the X5 shoots 4K at 120 frames per second in 360 mode, offering buttery smooth, high-quality footage for those breathtaking slow-mo shots. Extended battery life and faster charging battery. Life is always a concern when you're out filming, and Insta360 knows it. The X5 delivers up to 88 minutes of 8K shooting time, or if you need more endurance, you can switch to the 185-minute endurance mode. But that's not all. The X5 charges faster than ever before. In just 20 minutes, you can charge it up to 80%, making it perfect for those "oops, I forgot to charge" moments when you need to get back to shooting quickly. New audio features and convenient mounting. In terms of audio, Insta360 has also made some notable improvements. The X5 now comes equipped with a wind guard and a voice boost feature, ensuring your audio is crisp and clear, even in windy or noisy environments. Plus, they've added full 360-degree audio capture, so no matter where you are or what direction you're filming, your audio will be just as immersive as your video. For added convenience, Insta360 has introduced a magnetic quick-release mount, allowing you to quickly attach or detach your camera from any surface. And for those of us who don't want to press buttons anymore, the X5 now includes a gesture control feature, so you can start filming with just a simple hand movement. No more fumbling around with buttons. Slight video bitrate drop, but no. Drop-in quality. One thing to note is that the video bitrate has dropped slightly, from 100 Mbps on the X4 to 80 Mbps on the X5. However, this decrease doesn't affect image quality. Thanks to the improved sensor and AI enhancements, the X5 still delivers superior video quality, so you can rest assured that you're getting the best possible footage. The verdict: worth the upgrade? Now let's talk price. The Insta360 X5 is priced at just $50 more than the X4, which makes this upgrade feel like an absolute no-brainer. With all the new features, improvements, and enhancements, the X5 is truly a next-generation camera that will elevate your filming experience to new heights. So, what do you think? Are you ready to make the switch to the Insta360 X5? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about these upgrades and whether you'll be picking one up. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more comparisons and in-depth reviews like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, check out this video here for a detailed side-by-side comparison between the X4 and X5. Or if you're interested in low-light performance, watch this one for a full test. Catch you in the next video, and stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews and deep dives.